So I love Reese Basses, especially for UK garage, and I also love to have that kind of pumping, that sidechain pumping effect. So let's see how I set it up. I have like this thing I want to show you. So this is the sound. This is the final result. And without this is the sound with the whole ducking on the group. Without it, full sustain. Now let's listen to how it changes with this combo, which is an auto pen. So we have that swelling sound, that pumping sound, and then I have this limiter with 6 dB. The amount of dB, it's kind of up to your taste. And this is like beefier, thicker. So let's listen to the difference. So that works because if you are kind of using this kind of stuff, we are lowering the average loudness of it. So if we want more loudness, we have to squeeze everything back up so we can just like compensate this curve. We might also kind of do something like this, but it doesn't really sound that way. I just like how this whole thing pushes the sound to the ceiling. And so the compressor is just for mixing purposes, a bit of like production too, but mostly for mixing purposes, while the auto pan plus the limiter thing is more kind of a vibe, a sound stuff. Really simple thing, try it. I like the sound of it. I kind of use it whenever I can. I want to have this kind of swelling sound. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.